Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 16.1 question number 8. Find the values of the letters in each of the following and give reasons for the steps involved. Let us find. Let us find. This is the solution. Have A 1, 1B, that is B, 0. The addition of 1 and B is giving 0. The addition the addition the addition of the addition of 1 and B the addition of 1 and B is giving 0 is giving 0 giving 0. that is that is that is a number that is a number it is a number whose once digit is 0. Once digit is 0. First digit is 0. This is possible. This is possible. This is possible. This is possible when the digit B when the digit when the digit B is 9. When the digit B is 9. That is a number whose once digit is 0. This is possible when the digit B is 9. In that case, in 9. In that case, the addition of 1 and B, the addition of 1 and B will give 10 will give 10 and thus 1 will be the carry for the next step for the next step. Therefore we can write 1 plus A plus 1 is equal to B, right? Or you can write or if we take A as 7, that is 1 plus B is 9. 1 plus, if we put 7 plus 1, 7 plus 8 equal to 9, that is the value of B. Then we are getting B as 9. That means value of A is 7, right? Therefore we are getting A is 7. That means A we are getting as 7. Value of A we are getting as 7. Therefore the addition is as follows. Therefore the addition is as follows. A is 7, that is 71. 71 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, it is 0. 7 8 9 90. Therefore the value of A, therefore hence the values, hence the values of A, and the values of A and B, values and A and B are 7 and 9 respectively. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.